This advanced Tradingview indicator focuses on reversals and employs support and resistance to provide highly accurate signals. It effectively combines price action and momentum phases to predict potential market reversals. Notably, this non-repaint indicator is versatile, suitable for various timeframes, including scalping and intraday trading. When a valid entry condition arises, the market frequently reverses from that point, making it a valuable tool. In this video, we'll guide you through optimizing this indicator's settings and integrating it with our strategy to generate daily profits or enhance your trading skills. Let's begin. Open Tradingview and navigate to the Indicators tab. Search for Reversal Signal by Lux Algo and apply it to the chart. The Reversal Signals indicator identifies fading trends and potential reversals, excelling in counter-trend scenarios and addressing limitations in ranging markets. Access the indicator settings. In the Input tab, no changes are necessary. In the Style tab, configure the settings as shown in the video. Enable options like perfect bullish momentum phases, resistance levels, perfect bearish momentum phases, and support levels. You can pause the video to take a snapshot of the settings. Apply the settings and allow the chart to refresh. Now let's delve into executing entries using this indicator. Although we're demonstrating on a 5-minute time frame, feel free to adapt it to your preferred trading style and time frame. Keep in mind that accurate reversal signals from this indicator are rooted in a combination of support, resistance, price action, and momentum. By implementing our strategy and effectively using this indicator, you can significantly enhance your trading outcomes. Buy setup. To initiate a buy trade, consider two conditions. Firstly, observe the green line acting as a support level, indicating bullish momentum. When this green line aligns with a green signal, it indicates a high probability of a reversal. Execute the trade on a new candle as the market pulls back. Sell setup. The conditions for a sell trade are similar, but the setup is the opposite. Look for the red resistance line. Once identified, wait for a red signal, signifying the pullback or reversal point. Open the trade on a fresh candle and observe the market's U-turn. Managing trades. Managing trades with this setup is straightforward. For a buy trade, set your stop loss just below the support line and your take profit near the nearest resistance level. Similarly, for a sell signal, position your stop loss just above the resistance line and set your take profit around the nearest support level. However, while this indicator is powerful, occasional false signals may occur. To mitigate them, I've devised a strategy. Wait for the market to approach the support or resistance level closely. But if the market breaks these lines, the signal becomes invalid, and you should avoid trading. By understanding and implementing these strategies alongside the indicator, you can significantly enhance your trading accuracy. Likewise, let's examine this buy signal. It corresponds to a support line, but note that this signal is distant from our support line. Relying solely on this signal could lead to a loss or an unfavorable risk-to-reward ratio. Follow the instructions closely for optimal results. Share your experiences and outcomes with us. We consistently share valuable strategies on this channel that can elevate your trading career and skills. Stay updated by subscribing to our channel. Apply this indicator as explained, and if you encounter issues, share them in the comments. I hope you've gained valuable insights. We anticipate seeing you in our next video. Until then, farewell.